Yo, this is Adis. Listen to my lyrics.
And this is Cinder on the hook.
I walk home from school, the VPS says it's gone. I walk inside, my mum sitting on the couch crying his eyes out. I got the bad news, my dad left. I go into my room, crying my eyes out. Grab mum's phone, trying to call dad, no answer. Threw the phone out the wall, went for a walk, find the fight. Even though I might lose, I didn't give up. Went to shops, gone to a fight. Cops are cold, they're trying to calm me down and make me piss off. So I hit one of them in the ribs. Then the other cop grabbed me and take me down.
Yeah. Yeah, man, fuck these memories. They can always fucking hurt us. They may break our bones, but they'll never fucking take our heart. Cause you can't tear us apart. We'll stand strong until the last day. Even smoking cones out of our bong. But no, we'll never fucking stand down. We'll never back down from these memories. Listen.
At the cop shop, Dad comes in. I run up to him and give him a huge hug, saying, I love you, Dad, please don't go. He says, oh yeah, it's the best thing. Then he walks me out and says, I love you, see you on the weekends. Drops me over home. I might be crying, but I got a smile now. I'm nearly 17, it still hurts me. I still don't give up. Every day I wake up saying hello to my dad, call my mum, ask her to come home, and she says yes.
Yeah, cause these memories, they never fucking leave us. They always deceive us, but we can't do anything about it. Yeah, these memories always get the best of us, but we'll always stand strong, yeah. I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing with this hook. I'm just freestyling to the beat, cause you always gotta look at the brighter side of things. Yeah, these memories are fucking hurting us, but we don't give a fuck. This is Cinder here. This is Adis' new mixtape, Frustration, coming out soon. And you think this was good? This is just the intro track.
Yeah, this is the intro track. You always turn around, haters hanging the finger.
Fuck the haters.